Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I'm Vane. Welcome to the Inner Whisper, your sacred pause to come home to yourself. Thank you for returning to this space in our new rhythm of 3 weekly whispers, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. A rhythm designed to give you time to breathe, integrate, and let each message bloom with you. Leave in the comments how are you liking this rhythm now? If you find it more useful because you have more time to digest and to integrate, just let me know what you feel or how you feel. This week, we're exploring a deep and liberating theme: free yourself from conditioning. We began by recognizing the voices that are not truly yours. And today, we go deeper into the beliefs those voices planted within us. To dismantle limiting belief means to look within yourself with honesty and compassion to discover which thoughts, stories, or ideas are shaping your life without your conscious consent. Every belief can be either a bridge or a cage. And today I invite you to open that inner door and reclaim your freedom. Throughout life, we gather beliefs the way we might gather stones along the road. At first, they seem harmless, even useful. But over time, some become so heavy that they keep us from moving forward. Limiting beliefs are those quiet phrases that steer our lives without us even noticing. I can't. I'm not good enough. Love always hurts. I don't deserve that. We have repeated them so many times that they have started to sound like truth. But they are not truth. They are interpretations. And the beautiful thing about interpretations is that they can always be rewritten. Most of these beliefs were formed long ago. A parent's comment, a teacher's tone, a painful experience, a comparison, a rejection. They once served a purpose to protect us, but what once kept us safe may now be keeping us small, confined, stagnant. As your life coach and companion on this path, I want to remind you, you don't have to fight these beliefs. You just have to see them with awareness and choose differently. When you bring them into light, they begin to dissolve. And in that light, you remember that you are not the product of your thoughts. You are the creator, the artist, the editor, the producer. This is your own company. You are the CEO, and you have to remember that. Einstein said, your thoughts create your reality. So we have to become more aware of our thoughts. Let's walk together through this path that can help you begin to release these old beliefs and open to new possibilities. Name the belief. Notice your automatic thoughts. Every time you say, I can't, I don't deserve, or this always happens to me, pause. That phrase is a clue. Write it down. Naming the belief is the first step into taking your power back. And if you cannot write it down, record it on your cell phone. You have to become aware of your inner dialogue, of your belief and your automatic thoughts. When it shows up, question it with curiosity. Ask yourself, who taught me this? And is this still true today? You don't need to fight the belief, simply observe it. Curiosity opens the door that fear keeps closed. Start inviting these people, these thoughts, these characters into the present so you can see where they're coming from and how you can assist them or hold space for them. And then finally, rewrite your truth. I started talking about this on Monday. You have to rewrite your own dialogue. You have to transform your story of love. I invite you to, every time you become aware of these thoughts, change it. If you hear, I'm not capable, rewrite it to, I'm learning to trust myself. Change the, I don't deserve so much, to, I'm worthy of all the goodness life offers me. Every word you choose consciously becomes a seed of freedom. And to understand why beliefs hold so much power over us, let's explore a few wisdom drops or nuggets of wisdom that connect mind, science, and spirit. I don't know if you have heard about neuroplasticity, but it shows that the brain can rewire itself through repetition and conscious attention. Each new thought creates a new neural pathway. In simple words, every time you choose a new way of thinking, you are carving a new path in the landscape of your mind. The more you walk that path through awareness and practice, the stronger it becomes. And just like trails in nature, the old unused ones begin to fade. So when you start replacing I can't with I'm learning, or I'm not enough with I'm growing into my potential, you're not only shifting your mindset, you are physically reshaping your brain to support your freedom. Remember that our thoughts don't describe reality, they interpret it. And where your attention goes, your energy flows. Shifting your focus transforms your world and how you perceive it. So now let's bring this awareness into the body, breathing out old structures and breathing in new possibilities. Let's release all the air and get ready with a deep inhale through the nose, breathing openness and expansion. And exhale the rigidity of all mental patterns. Hi. Second breath. Inhale new ways of seeing and valuing yourself. And exhale self-doubt and criticism. Ah. Last breath. Inhale a light of freedom. And exhale the beliefs that no longer resonate with you, with who you have become. Ah. Place your hands over your heart and feel how your breath creates space inside you. Let this sense of lightness remain. With every inhale, you open a door. With every exhale, you release a chain. And in that rhythm, your soul remembers it was always free. Today, we began dismantling something deeper than thoughts. We started to release the invisible structures that once defined our limits. Every belief you recognize and transform is a layer that falls away, a story that ends, a version of yourself that bows with gratitude and lets go. Remember, this isn't about denying your past. It's about choosing your present with awareness. Your thoughts are not facts. They are doors. And you get to decide which one you walk through. When you change your belief, you expand your reality. And when your reality expands, you begin to live from the truth of your soul. As Anais Nin, writer and diarist who explored the emotional and spiritual depth of the human experience, wrote, "We don't see things as they are. We see them as we are." Profound. May your mind open like a floor to the flower, to the light of understanding. May every thought become an invitation to freedom. And may the truth you discover today guide you with gentleness and clarity. For today's mantra, let's take a deep breath. I'm free to create a new story. And I choose to do that. Thank you. Thank you for joining me in this reflection. I hope you are enjoying the new structure Mondays, Wednesday, and Friday. Leave me a comment to see how are you taking it. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to the channel to continue this journey of self-liberation. Share in the comments, what belief are you ready to release? Give this video a like and share. The more the merrier. And join me on Substack, where I weekly share reflections to nurture your inner path at innerlightpath.substack.com. Once again, it's an honor to be here with you. I'll see you on Friday. Until then, love deeply, shine brightly, and embrace your journey. Ciao.